Good morning. We are looking at Avino Silver and Gold mines in the monthly time frame. This stock is listed on the U.S. indexes. It is symbol ASM, ASM, Avino Silver and Gold Mines. And the key, most interesting thing happening here is that we have price attempting to break out, or what looks like an attempted breakout above resistance along the upper median line of this Andrews pitchfork. And of course, we have this horizontal support resistance level as well. So we got price trying to push through that resistance and have make a breakout. This volume pattern is bullish. What we'd like to see volume do in an uptrend is increase. So we want to see volume increase as price increases. And so that's exactly what we have here. Big ramp in volume, big ramp in price. And then also, when price pulls back in an uptrend, we want to see volume pull back. And so that's exactly what we've got going on. You know, when we actually get a breakout, or if we do actually get a breakout, we want to see some follow through with volume. But for right now, that volume looks bullish. Accumulation distribution, investors have started accumulating this stock again. Back in early 20, investors started the latest increase in accumulation. We got MACD. We're still in bear mode. Both indicator lines are below zero, but we are on a buy signal. Plenty of energy for price to run higher. That's the monthly time frame. Let's pop down. We're going to skip the weekly. This is down in the, we're now looking at the daily time frame. And of course, this is an obvious bullish indication, this runaway gap. That was about 2 trading weeks ago. And price has continued a steady climb since. Obviously, momentum and energy is high based on the stochastics. MACD in this daily time frame clearly in bull mode on a buy signal. Got lots of room to run before MACD reaches this level of overboughtness that stopped this last price rise. So price is overbought, but based on MACD, it's still got some room to run. Clearly, this is accumulation distribution. Investors are accumulating this stock. I'm guessing that our next level of resistance is going to come in. That the top there, that peak, that's $1.50, and then this. I'm showing this as a resistance zone rather than a thin line at $1.50, because I want to convey the idea that this is a zone, not a thin line. And so anyway, that's what I'm expecting to see here. Price is going to push up into this 150 area. Likely that we'll see some pullback, and price going to work. Going to take it a little while to push through that area if it's able to. If you're not in the stock already and it fits your parameters for investing, conservative entry would be to wait for a breakout and then a pullback. See a pullback, test the breakout area, and then some indication that the stock wants to go higher before we entered. Let's see. I think that's all I've got in the daily time frame. Let's talk about the company. So they are a primary silver producer. They're operating in Mexico and have been for 50 years. So lots of experience mining in Mexico. This is a chart. This is from the corporate presentation, and so you can see that their annual silver production, they're bumping around 2.5 million ounces a year, and obviously 2020 has been an interesting year for everybody. Let's see what else about this company. I think I'm gonna end it there. Um, the key point. Here's the key point. If you're limited to U.S. listed mining stocks, your selection is quite limited. So basically, you got the large cap and mid cap producers, the Pan American Silver and First Majestic and Barrick and all of those, the big boys, which is all well and good, but I would suggest that that is not the most profitable area of this secular bull market to be invested in. That the emerging producers and advanced stage developers a far more lucrative investment. But again, if you're limited to only investing in mining stocks listed on the U.S. exchanges, this is one to consider. And that's it. Have a great day, folks.